Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel DoorDash delivery service, complete guide step by step clearly. To cancel your DoorDash delivery service, begin by opening the DoorDash app on your device. Log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once logged in, navigate to the main screen where your orders are listed. Find the order you wish to cancel. Tap on that specific order to view its details. Look for the option that says Cancel Order. Select this option to initiate the cancellation process. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the cancellation. Review the details and confirm that you want to cancel the order. After confirming, your order will be canceled, and you should see a confirmation message on the screen. If you encounter issues within the app, you can also visit the DoorDash website. Log into your account on the website. Navigate to the Orders section from your account dashboard. Locate the order you wish to cancel and click on it. Similar to the app, look for the Cancel Order option and select it. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. If you are still facing difficulty, you can contact DoorDash customer support for assistance. Provide them with your order details so they can help process the cancellation. Remember that if the order is already in progress, the cancellation may not be possible. Always check the cancellation policy for any specific terms related to your situation. Once the cancellation is successful, you will receive a confirmation via email or notification. Your account will also reflect the cancellation along with any refund information, if applicable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.